Today we're going to be changing a fuel filter on a 7.3 diesel. It's a Ford, it's a 2000. First thing you want to do is drain the bowl. We have the catch pen down below, so drain your bowl out. This one's a 1 inch on this filter here, so take your cap off. This is a Wix filter here. It's all one piece. The new one we're going to be replacing it with is actually a 3-piece. Let that drain out. Set it in your catch pan. Our new filter out. We have an O-ring and a gasket seal. We'll put a little bit of fuel on your O-ring. That on there. Take your old seal out. Place your new seal in there. As you're turning it, just make sure that your seal's staying down flat. It's not getting bound up or twisted in there. Just give it a good hand tight. Close your bowl back up. Now you're just going to cycle 2 to 3 times on your key for your glow plugs. That'll recharge the system so you don't have air in the lines. Should be good to go. You can hear that bowl fueling up. just check around the top, make sure you don't have any leaks there, and no leaks on the backside on the fuel bolt, that drain separator. Everything looks good. Should be able to start it up and check it once again. Okay, just a couple quick notes. The filter that I installed had a flat gasket on it, so it just lays down either direction. If you're installing the Motorcraft or a couple other brands, they'll have a bevel cut gasket. If you do have one of those, the bevel goes up towards the cap. Just make sure and put a little film of diesel fuel on it when you install it and snug it down good, and you should be good to go. That should be it. Out.